How to Slow Down Aging, the Science Behind Longevity and Youth. Today, I'm going to explain how you can slow down the aging process in a natural and scientific way. If you want to look young for longer, live a longer and healthier life, and protect yourself from chronic diseases, then this video is for you. Everything I'm going to share today is based on solid scientific research, not myths or internet trends. You may have heard the word mitochondria before. In some of my earlier videos, we have briefly discussed it. Mitochondria are often called the power factories of the body. They are present inside almost every cell, including skin cells, muscle cells, and brain cells. Their main job is to produce energy. This energy is what allows your cells to function, repair themselves, and survive. In fact, your overall health, your energy levels, and even how long you live depend heavily on how healthy and efficient your mitochondria are. When mitochondria work well, your body ages slowly. When they don't, aging speeds up. Back in school biology, you may remember learning about the Krebs cycle. Think of it as a circular assembly line inside the mitochondria, similar to how a factory works. Raw materials enter the system, go through multiple steps, and eventually produce energy. This process begins with the food you eat and ends with the production of energy. This energy is known as ADP, which is the main fuel your body uses to perform every function: breathing, thinking, repairing cells, and even slowing down aging. However, for this entire process to run smoothly, the body needs certain molecules and chemicals known as cofactors. You can imagine these cofactors as workers in a factory. Without them, the assembly line slows down or completely stops. To keep these workers active, the body requires proper nutrition. When there is nutritional deficiency, this system starts breaking down. The process cannot move smoothly from one step to the next. Energy production decreases, cells become weak, and over time, cells begin to die. This is one of the core reasons aging accelerates. One of the most important molecules involved in this entire process is called NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD is absolutely essential for the Krebs cycle to function. Without NAD, ADP cannot be produced efficiently. And when ADP levels drop, cells cannot survive or repair themselves properly, leading to faster aging. Low NAD levels are also associated with muscle loss, fatigue, brain fog, and poor recovery, especially in people dealing with chronic illnesses like cancer. So the question is, why does NAD decrease as we age? Researchers have discovered that as we grow older, an enzyme called CD38 increases in the body. This enzyme consumes NAD. The higher the CD38 levels, the lower the NAD levels. Studies conducted on mice have shown that mice born without CD38 lived longer and had fewer age-related diseases. This tells us something very important. Preserving NAD levels may be a key to longevity. Now the good news. There are certain natural compounds that can help increase NAD levels or slow down its breakdown. Let's talk about 5 powerful compounds you can include in your diet. The first compound is apigenin. Among all the plants studied, coriander leaves contain one of the highest amounts of apigenin. Thyme comes next, followed by oregano, basil leaves, and celery leaves. These herbs are easy to include in daily cooking and offer powerful anti-aging benefits. The second compound is anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give fruits and vegetables their red, purple, and blue colors. They are found in berries, blueberries, red and purple grapes, beetroot, red cabbage, and blackberries. Anthocyanins are strong antioxidants and also support the immune system while protecting mitochondria from damage. The third compound is curcumin, which is found in turmeric. Curcumin is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest drivers of aging, and curcumin helps reduce it at the cellular level. The next important phytonutrient is quercetin. It is found in high amounts in onions, guava peels, and apple peels. Many people remove fruit peels, but that's where a large portion of beneficial compounds are found. However, fruits like apples and grapes are high in sugar, so people with diabetes should consume them in moderation. The final compound is EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. The most easily available source of EGCG is green tea. EGCG has been shown to reduce CD38 activity, increase NAD levels, improve mitochondrial function, and slow down the aging process. It is so powerful that it is also used in certain medicinal formulations. In addition to these compounds, regular exercise, especially strength training and walking, has been shown to increase mitochondrial efficiency. Proper sleep, stress management, and avoiding excessive sugar and processed foods also play a major role in slowing aging. So these are some simple but powerful strategies backed by science that can help you slow down aging from the inside out. I've shared this list with you so you can start making small changes today for a healthier tomorrow. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself.